Yo, so happy Monday, guys. Drinking some water, getting ready to go to Huggy Boo. Guess what? Pineapple soda. My nephew and niece was here. I've been up. I got like 3 hours of sleep. I've been up for quite a long time. From like 9 a.m., something like that. And I've been editing and hanging out with them, playing with them. So that's what's going on. It's hot and humid, kind of. Guys, my right eye, I'm shot. I mean, I'm trying to edit. I'm about done with a very important edit, and I can't even open my right eye, dude. I mean, that's terrible. See, check it out. It looks very bad, doesn't it? Because it is bad. Look at that, guys. There's a nest in that phone up there. Did you see that? That thing, every time I come outside, it about takes my hat off. Every freaking time, man. I'm not gonna mess with it, though, but still. Ah, that's funny. Look at it fly around, dart around, and all kind of crazy stuff. It just went up on the roof and kind of scrolled down the roof checking me out. I mean, it's just been all over, buzz around my head, all kinds of crazy stuff. Yo, so heading up to Walmart. You know the drill. Honestly, guys, I just uploaded that firework video. Honestly, don't know how long I'm going to keep that up. I may keep it up. We'll have to see. I try to stay away from copyright music. Even though YouTube and the record companies do allow you to use copyrighted music sometimes, and you can even split the revenue off of it. But you know, they can change the policy anytime. You know, the record companies or the idols of the music or whoever, man. I mean, just to get permission to use it, sometimes you'd have to ask like 20 different people, man. No joke. But they're pretty lenient on a lot of music now. You just can't monetize the video. But the thing is, man, I don't like getting copyright claims, and that's what they are, which I'm not in trouble. You don't get in trouble or nothing like that. You're good. But I don't like a whole bunch of my videos that have copyrighted claims in them, and they don't. I have a few, but pretty much every YouTube will get it from time to time, pretty much. But I don't make it a habit. But man, this one I used a lot of music. But it's the request of the people I made the music for, you know, my friend Tim, and then if I take it down, I take it down. Though I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it up. Yo, now see my eyes? Do they look better? Probably not. Man, I'm telling you, my eyes are all jacked up. If you go back to my vlogs, same thing. Probably you will go. I'll have to look when I get home. Well, close to it anyway, but yeah. Look like I have a black eye and everything. Look at this moth. Man, holy cow. That about flipped me out a little bit. Hey, anyway. Yo, so I just keep I forgot what I was gonna say. Jeez, I only got a few hours of sleep, guys, so I'm totally out of it. My lord. I just keep eating junk. That's what it is. Is that what I was gonna say? Because I got a blueberry pie. I have to stop eating this junk. It's about to kill me. My eye looks black. That's how bad of allergies I have right now. Hate it, man. I mean, I look terrible. I look worse than usual, guys. Man, it looks really bad. Yo, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, guys. I did eat the whole pie. Stupid me, man. I'm about half stupid, guys. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna go in, maybe try to, I have to edit at least one vlog, and it should be a short one. Then go to bed. Maybe listen to some talk radio or something. But anyway, until next time, guys. Loving each other, one of you. Thanks so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time.